meghalayapost.news.
Skulbah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM Mentagasngi Kalapenlong Haka 11th Convocation ceremony lani Shah Pynkup Burom ki Samla Pule ki bala pendep ya Gajing Pule nagati ki Skulbah ha Central Auditorium kabala longkum gajingya lanti shawai pat umau mer ha kabaya dei ban kentiu ya ka Pule ka puthi kini Shah Pynkup Burom ki Samla Pule ka penpau ki dakishin jong gajing kemen gajing sarong bat gajing ai min sim ya ki 6000 ndris pakat prangut ki Samla Pule ki balayo pedang ya ki degree bakentum news pa anripuar ki undergraduates praspar pesau ki postgraduates balai puar ki bapendap ya ka PhD nakaliang gani ke Skulbah Pynkup Burom ru ya san pesangut ki nohikai ki balai pedang ya ka gold medal bakentup ar pesangut ki undergraduates ar pesangut ki postgraduates pesangut ki bayo pedang ya ka kusnam ka bakerpang Hagani ka sengi Pynkup Burom ya kita samla lakan mau Burom ru ya ulit Dr. Zubin Gang unong rai unong snaflim unong penmi jing rai balapau haki jelasate lamini bat hakari India hi borok kawai hakabau ne riu pau kmat ulayo pedang ru ya ka honorary doctorate in literature degree nagani ka Skulbah USTM Haka 11th Convocation ki bade halor ki senyang ki benhei ki bolo senyang syaka imlang ka salang bala pelong ru ka jing sangap jar ka balai pau sakan kum ka jing kan mau Burom ya ka mensim jong u na ka benta wakan yo ya kata ka jing jathan Hakani ke Shah Pynkup Burom lawan Shimenta dau Deputy Chief Minister ke Jelau Bak Senyau Balanghar kum kongsan balasaki langru da ke jingdon lang Chancellor ke USTM UMH Chairman Governing Council Indian Institute of Science Bangalore Dr. Senapati Chris Gopalakrishnan lambat kiwai nalor kita ki hajar ngut ki Samla Pule kete ke Skulbah
Malaysia banga yuk ini gold medal dari nomor 4 participate pun ki competitions ba organize ki department of welfare Malaysia muswa ngam dalong kan beri buslur dari banga jusi menta barbot yang ngalong melian bat nga lan tu pen ki mistakes ma banga pekai kuno ki wikile jadi nga participate pun sin nga job jelek kat bala hi ban ni ki wik competitive exam civil service
new chapter. It is your dedication and aspiration that shape the identity and potential of our university. You are the principal stake behind USTM. The degrees you earn are not mere certificates. These are keys that unlock the vast realm of knowledge and possibilities. But remember, the pursuit of learning does not end with the confinement of a degree. Instead, it becomes a lifelong journey and unceasing exploration that continues until your last day. As we step into the world beyond these campus walls, carry with your knowledge, the knowledge, skills and wisdom you have gained. You are not just individuals graduating, you are emissaries of USTM, bearing the torch of excellence that burns brightly within these hollow walls. Your endeavors and success are the wings that carry the flag of USTM far and wide, crossing borders and cultures. Congratulations on this remarkable milestone, and may your journey ahead be filled with fulfillment, growth, and everlasting pursuit of excellence. Please convey my regards and sincere gratitude to your parents and teachers. Lastly, you put a statement for our students from higher personally brought kind of inspiration. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor has spoken about Dr. Kalam saying, dream is not a direct which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not make you sleep. Our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister also emphasized on it. All the Vice Chancellors sitting in the rest, the Honorable Deputy CM, the co-founder of Enquiries, they have their own domain of knowledge, but you must be understanding they are the leaders in their domain. Who is becoming Vice Chancellor of the University? It is not academic knowledge. It is they have lots of academic administrative skills that some authority has chosen there. So my dear students, by the end of the day, wherever you are, leadership matters. Wherever you can become a teacher, you can become an entrepreneur, you can become anything. But by the end of the day, how you are managing, how you are showing your leadership, that matters. And leadership is not that something that you can learn from the books. It is you have to follow the footsteps of the people people who have US history. It is you have to study the story of the people who have succeeded in that area. So my dear students, you must be getting such idea that they are people they are all the licensors. So many licensors. I must say the students and faculty and the entire family of this university were magic. You have attracted the co-founder of Infosys who is sitting here. And sitting here from last 4 hours. He is 70 plus. And I am requesting all of you, please you Google, get his name and Google and see the way he is not he is the co-founder of Infosys. He is founder of many such ventures where lots of people are working.
I want to thank Professor G.D. Sharma for insisting that I accept this invitation. This is my first visit to USTM and indeed to Meghalaya, and I must say it is as beautiful, vibrant and inspiring as I had imagined. I hope to return soon. Let me begin by acknowledging the unique setting of your university. Located in the left hills of Reboy at the Assam-Meghalaya border, USTM stands amidst nature's grandeur, yet within reach of national and international connections. Your welcome today has been inspiring to me personally. Thank you very much for that. Meghalaya and Northeast are home to extraordinary diversity of cultures, languages and ideas. It's a region where the ancient and the modern coexist, where innovation is rooted in tradition. It's also a region of growing geopolitical importance, a gateway to Southeast Asia, connecting India to one of the world's most dynamic economic regions. This gives you, the graduates of USTM, a unique vantage point. You are equipped not only with knowledge, but also with a perspective shaped by diversity, resilience and opportunity.
I'm telling you, when I was in school life, in fact, I am a very, very hard-working student. But unfortunately, I'm not like you. I'm not good in studies. That is the drawback of my personality. But I have the spirit of fighting. If other can, why I cannot? That is my spirit. When I passed class 12 from St. Mount Science, I tried to continue my study as a BSc student, but unfortunately for some other reasons, I could not. And then in 2000, in the month of May, I switched to business. And I found that my life is distressed and difficult, which is almost I lose hope. Almost I lose hope. Wherever I go, I feel difficulties. And one fine evening, I made up my mind. Please remember, for you dear students, difficulties mean it's not impossible. Simple that you have to work hard. Simple, you have to work hard. Wherever I go, sometimes one of the others I face difficult. But I'm not give up. I'm the fighter. And please remember one word which is very common for all of us. The word impossible is not there in the leader dictionary. Please note it out. The word impossible, it is not there in the leader dictionaries. I started my business from 2000 till 2007-8. Of course, somehow it's better, not that much bad. With the blessing of the Almighty, till today, more than 6,000-7,000 of employees who work under my companies. But still I saw that if I based only my personal business, I didn't have the opportunities to help for my youths of the state of Meghalaya. And in 2008, I made up my mind, it's better for me to join politics, so that I can look after all these drawbacks. I can help my own brother and sister from my business sector and from government sector as your leaders. Please remember, the surprises with the good people is always, they never tell your problems. They keep listening that you is better to realize by yourself. That is the difference in a good person. Simple. Today is the day for you. It is the future generation, the future days of you from tomorrow onwards. Till today we may call you as a student, as a graduate. And I hope and full confidence in the days to come, I would like to see you, some of you in different streams and different sector and in different directions. I think most of you are focused in entrepreneurs. Some of you want to be the professor, the lecturer. Some of you maybe you want to have your own business in different direction. Maybe you have noticed that the government of Meghalaya has run so many schemes to encourage, to inspire our own youth, especially good boys and girls. Like the CM Ngut, the Prime Hub, the Yes Meghalaya, the Hello Meghalaya, so on and so forth. So therefore, somebody used to say, even a dirty water cannot stop that plant growing. So please don't allow the negative mind to stop your progress and your developments.
meghalayapost.news